Hello dear students, welcome to our channel English with PK99. Let's learn English with the help of stories. Today's story is very unique. अगर आपको इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करने का है, you have to listen more. And stories are the best asset for good listening because everyone likes stories. Am I right? And today's motivation story will encourage you to face the challenges of life. Correct? That's why with the help of the stories, we are going to improve English. But don't worry, this video will be in English as well as in Hindi. Hindi for understanding and English for, of course, improvement. Because if English is perfect, career will be perfect. If English perfect, confidence will be perfect. And if English perfect, of course, personality will be perfect because English is the greatest source of confidence. Correct? That's why we should have good command on English. Let's start the story. Once in a certain college, there was a professor. A very means what I'm say sensible. I should not say sensible. A very generous or maybe kind-hearted professor. Regularly, he used to teach the students. Students used to enjoy his lecture. But one day, the concerned professor came to know that there was a student who looked to be in stress and tension. तभी वो टीचर ने देखे कि एक बच्चा है सामने बैठा है और थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस में है, टेंशन में है, एंग्जाइटी में है. The teacher asked him, "What's your problem? You look to be in stress. You look to be in anxiety." The boy was not ready to tell. उस बच्चे ने अपना जो भी टेंशन था, स्ट्रेस था, उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं बोला. The teacher again started to teach, but while teaching, he again came to know the boy was not in normal condition and he was full of anxiety or maybe stress. The teacher again politely asked him, kindly asked him, "Do you have any stress?" Of course, he gave the same answer, "No, sir." But teacher came to know that something was wrong with him. The lecture was finished. Lecture finish होने के बाद again the teacher went to him and asked him, "Do you have any stress? बेटा कुछ टेंशन आपको टेंशन है क्या?" "Yes, sir," he said. Because the teacher was very kind-hearted and the student knows that he will or knew that he would know or he would solve his stress or tension. तो बच्चों को पूछा, "Any problem?" He said, "Yes. Sir, actually I got less mark. My parents are worried, and because of that, I am more worried, and I am in stress. And nowadays, we are facing certain problem at home, financial problems, and that's why I am stuck to stress or maybe tension." The teacher said, "Don't worry, एक काम करेंगे, बाजू में मेरा घर है, we'll go there." तो टीचर ने उस स्टूडेंट्स को वहाँ पे लेके गए अपने घर पे, and he, of course, after some time, he came with soup. उस अपने स्टूडेंट के लिए उन्होंने सूप बनाए, tomato soup like that, and gave to him. As he took the first sip, जैसे उसने पहली सिप ली सूप की, he came to that it was salty. It was salty. And the teacher said, "Ask what happened." "Sorry, sir, it's salty." Teacher said, "Oh, sorry. I will make one more for you. मैं और एक तेरे लिए सूप बनाऊंगा." The student said, "No, no, sir, don't worry. Give me some just what I'm say sugar, and I will add, and of course it will balance." The teacher brought sugar and gave to him. The बच्चों ने क्या किया, उस स्टूडेंट ने वो शुगर अपने what I'm say सूप में डाल दिया, and it was balanced and he enjoyed it. After that, the teacher asked him, "Have you learned something from this small incident?" जो अभी अपने जो स्मॉल इंसिडेंट होगा और मे बी छोटी सी घटना, हैव लर्न समथिंग, उससे कुछ सीख ली तूने? द स्टूडेंट वाज कंफ्यूज, सर सॉरी आई कुडंट गेट. दिस इज द पैटर्न ऑफ लाइफ. जैसे सूप साल्टी होने के बाद यू ऐड शुगर टू मेक इट बैलेंस, वैसे जिंदगी में whenever we have problem, whenever we have stress, whenever we have anxiety, we should add some happy moment to it, so it will balance. Because stress, tension, of course they will come regularly, but it does not mean that we should drive away with the stress. इसका मीनिंग ये नहीं कि हम स्ट्रेस के साथ बहते जाएं. एक्चुअली जब भी जिंदगी में whenever we have tension, whenever we are in depression, and whenever we have of course some problem, so we should add some happy moment, and then the life will be balanced. And the teacher was absolutely correct, because he wanted to say that life is full of challenges, but does not mean that we should stick to the challenges. इसका मीनिंग ये नहीं कि हम जिंदगी चैलेंज साथ बस स्टिक होते रहे. नो. सपोज a certain student is full of in depression, of course he should go out, he should play, he should watch a certain movie, he should listen song, but no one should be stuck to stress for a long time, and we have to add some happy moment. And this is the moral of this wonderful story. So actually channel main purpose is to improve English, but with such stories our English can be improved, because if we listen more then only we can speak more, and listening is very must. Am I right? So अगर आप इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करना चाहते हैं तो आपको इंग्लिश ज़्यादा सुननी पड़ेगी. So what happen, your pronunciation will be improved, and of course it will help you to speak properly, or you will get confidence. Story कैसे लिखी, बिल्कुल you are going to write in comment box, and surely I am waiting for your comments, and we'll meet in the next video. But for further video, please don't forget to subscribe channel, not for my benefit but for your notification. Meanwhile, I take your kind leave. Have a great time. Bye bye.